name is Carlson Leung and I'm actually the Retail Director for Huawei Malaysia. Huawei is now actually the world top 3 mobile phone player, not only in Malaysia, but in fact in the world. Huawei has came a long way to actually move from step 1, step 2 and step 3 until today where we are. One of the core values for Huawei is consumer-centric. We strongly believe by having more retail stores, especially the Huawei experience stores, allow us to have a better engagement to our consumers and allowing us to have a better feel of what is the needs from our consumers. With more and more Huawei experience stores available in JB, in Southern region, that allow us to have a better awareness in terms of the Huawei branding and products towards our end consumers. We are grateful that more and more Huawei experience stores will be made available nationwide, especially with the support from our strong retail partners such as MTEL Mobile and Service. We are very confident that we are able to promote our strong products, our quality solutions to our end consumers. With that, why wait? Welcome to our Huawei experience stores and experience our product. Thank you very much.